good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Jemima Kizayan Milpataweg. I'm 24 years old. I have a living partner and we're blessed to have two wonderful children, a 5-year-old boy and a 2-year-old girl. My father is deceased and my mother is a housewife. I have 3 siblings and my highest educational attainment is senior high school graduate, new curriculum.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have 3 years work of experience here in the Philippines from the year 2017 to 2020. I serve a family with 3 members, including a couple and their newborn baby until the baby turns 2 years old.
Okay. How do you describe yourself?
I describe myself as an honest person, hardworking, and patient, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
When I gave birth to my baby, sir, I do have a cesarean section, sir, and it's about 2 inches from the 2 years ago, sir.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to support the needs of my family, sir, especially our financial needs.
Okay. If you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
My mother, sir, my living partner, and my sister, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my job, sir, and I will remind myself that I need this job to support the needs of my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. in the evening, sir, if my work is done, and I wake up 5 a.m. in the morning, sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will stay calm, sir, and I will understand their situation, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visit the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
I promise, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town.
Okay. What's your message to your future employer?
Dear employers, I hope you will hire me. I promise to be hardworking, honest, and I will do my best with a sincere heart.
Okay.